Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into my latest health experiment, eating only whole foods for 30 days. That's right, no processed foods, no refined sugars, just natural unprocessed goodness. Let's get into it. So, why whole foods? Whole foods are packed with nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants. They're basically the superheroes of the food world. But what happens when you cut out all the processed stuff? Well, I decided to find out. Week 1, the detox phase. Honestly, it was rough. My body was craving all the junk it was used to. Headaches, low energy, you name it. But I pushed through, and by the end of the week, I started to feel a shift. My energy levels were stabilizing and my sleep was improving. Moving into week 2, things got a lot better. My digestion improved. No more bloating or discomfort after meals. I felt lighter and more alert. Plus, I started to notice something amazing. My skin was clearing up. No more random breakouts. By week 3, I was in full swing. My workouts were more intense, my recovery time was shorter, and I felt stronger. It's incredible how much of a difference clean eating can make. I was even starting to enjoy new flavors and experimenting with different recipes. Who knew kale chips could be so addictive? Week 4 was the real game changer. My mental clarity was off the charts. I was more focused, more productive, and just generally happier. I didn't need that afternoon coffee pick-me-up anymore. I was running on pure, natural energy. After 30 days of whole foods, the results were clear. I lost a few pounds of excess weight, my muscle tone improved, and I felt fantastic. But more importantly, my relationship with food changed. I started seeing food as fuel rather than just a source of pleasure. Now, I'm not saying you have to give up all your favorite treats forever. Balance is key. But this experiment taught me the value of whole foods and how they can transform your body and mind. So if you're thinking about making a change, give whole foods a try. Start small and see how you feel. Trust me, your body will thank you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more health tips and challenges. Until next time, stay healthy and stay happy. Reflecting on this journey, I realized how much our diet impacts every aspect of our lives. Sharing my experience with friends, I found that many were inspired to make small changes too. Planning meals became a fun activity rather than a chore, and I started to look forward to my next healthy creation. Remember, it's not about perfection, but about making better choices one step at a time. Celebrate your small victories, and don't be too hard on yourself. Embrace the journey, and enjoy the process of discovering new, wholesome foods. Thanks again for joining me on this journey. Stay healthy, stay happy, and see you next time.